Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share with you the cards that I made using an old tailored expressions kit. If you are a subscriber of my channel, you might have seen last month my friend Kristie and I decided to do a little collab where we were going to use some of our old Tailor Expressions key ingredients kits. These kits have been in our stash for a very long time, and so we thought it would be fun to use them since we both have them. We had so much fun last month that we decided to do it again this month. Not sure if we'll keep doing it. I had a lot of fun, so I'm hoping that we will. Everything is linked in the description box below, the playlist, so that you can see my video from last month, all the products that I use. I will update Kristie's link once she gets her post up. Sometimes hers goes up in the afternoon, and also my corresponding blog post for more photos if you would like to see it or stuff like that. So again, everything is linked below, and let's get on to it. This month I used the June 2010 key ingredients kit. Yes, I know, I hoard. It's all good. It's all good. This one came with 12 sheets of cardstock, 20 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, which was the October Afternoon Fly a Kite, which I really had a lot of fun with these like brighter colors. Had ribbon, flowers, and leaves and buttons. So you can see I still have quite a bit left, but I did make 3 cards and I had a lot of fun doing it, so that's all that counts. Move that aside. I also brought in my Stampin' Up! Banners Pick-a-Punch, which I have to say I have been using it more and more lately. When I first got it, I was like, but now I find I'm reaching for it often. I brought in some Old Olive Stampin' Up! Ink. I did use, all the cardstock was from the kit, all the pattern paper was from the kit, and the only other embellishment I brought in was some honeybee little like sticker gems. For my stamps, I went with all my favorite things stamps. First, I used this cute Pure Innocence Sunny Smiles. I just love her little shirt. Then the next one, I used this Blooming Friendship. I can't get over the cuteness of these little critters. It is an adorable set. And then the last one that I used was Adorable Elephants. Elephants are my favorite animals, so of course I had a lot of fun using that. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. I did use some sketches to help me. I'm going to attempt to put them like up in the corner. We'll see how I do. If not, they are all on my blog and linked to the original sites for the ones that I could. So first up, I had that little Sunny Smiles, and I incorporated some buttons and the ribbon. Look at me go. I love how this turned out. It's so bright and cheery, and it just makes me happy. On the inside, I did Sending Sunny Smiles. Have to say, I cut these by hand. I'm getting better at that as well, cutting the little banners by hand. A little crooked, but it's all good. It's all good. So there was my first one. I think she is so cute. Next up, I used that Blooming Friendship, and this little cat just cracks me up with his little red boots, those little birdies, and that bright happy paper. Again, on the inside, I just added some of those banners, but I think it just finishes it off nice. And then the last card, this was a really fun sketch, and I really used that punch a lot. And there's that elephant, You Are Unforgettable, and just those banners, and I don't know, it's just fun, and I just stamped that on the inside. So those are the 3 cards that I created with the Tailored Expressions Key Ingredients Kit from June 2010. Again, I'm having a lot of fun revisiting these kits. I'm hoping that we can keep this going, but we all know that life sometimes gets in the way. But I hope that you will go visit Kristie, give her some love, and thanks so much for stopping by. This is a very busy week for me, so hopefully I will see you around my channel a lot. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.